Description box will include the ingredients for the entire dish. So we are going to get started with the sour cream and the Greek yogurt. I have them both half and half in this small bowl here. So we're going to add that to the big mixing bowl. And this bowl will be the mayo. Freshly squeezed lemon juice. To squeeze my lemon juice, I use one of these things here, so it makes everything easier. And also here, I have fresh garlic minced. And for that, I use this little garlic press thing here. Makes everything easier. Okay, I have some fresh dill. Now I'm going to add the white vinegar. And salt and pepper to taste. This is a half of a teaspoon, so I'm just going to use half of this because I don't want it to be too salty. The pepper is fine, but the salt content is going to be measured. So I have them both in the same thing. Okay, so now we're going to give that a mix before we add the water to kind of thin it out a bit. Doesn't really need to be, but I have it here just in case. It can kind of thin out the texture or even the flavor, either or. But I don't think we're going to need that. All right, there you have it, your white sauce up close. Just make sure you get the yogurt lumps out. Okay, I'm gonna give that a taste. Oh, that's amazing. Okay, I can add the rest of this salt and pepper. Wow. That garlic really brings out the flavor. And once it's marinated, it's gonna taste even better. Okay, so now I'm going to bottle this up into here. So guys, like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Let's grow together, and I'll be back with another one.